If you're trying to sell your product online or you would like to earn recurring incomes, setting up your very own membership site is crucial to your success. That said, one of the biggest problems is that many people don't know where to start. What membership script should you use? By using WordPress, you can make your site beautiful, but to be honest, most of the plugins that integrate into this that are WordPress membership sites, let's be honest, are not great looking or user friendly. So you're going to discover how to run your very own WordPress-based membership site by using WooCommerce. This 7-part video course is designed to show you exactly how you can quickly and easily brainstorm, plan, and set up your WordPress membership site. Here is a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about a brief overview of what's inside the course, how it is all laid out, and more importantly, what you need in order to get started. Video number 2, we'll talk about mapping out your membership site funnel. So in other words, before we talk about the technical details and how to set things up, it's crucial and very important for you to map out what your business funnel is going to look like. Video number 3, we're going to talk about which WordPress membership plugin you should use. And of course, while we highly recommend WooCommerce memberships, which is a plugin that attaches to the WooCommerce platform, there are a lot of other WordPress membership plugins out there. And of course, video number 4, we'll talk about how to access the WooCommerce memberships plugin, how to install it, and of course, how to get started by configuring your settings. Video number 5, we'll talk about creating a membership level. Video number 6, we'll talk about creating and pricing your product. And of course, last but not least, video number 7, we'll talk about testing. So go ahead and grab this video course today and start building your membership site.